Informational text. Why would plants need to protect themselves? Protective Plants by Rosa McKenna. Every part of a plant has a job to do. Some parts help the plant eat. Some parts help the plant make more plants. Other parts protect it from bad weather, hungry insects, and other dangers. Big plants like trees have long and thick roots. Small plants may have roots that are short and thin, but all roots do the same job. Roots feed the growth of the plant. Without its root system, a plant cannot survive. Roots will fill rocks and grow under or around them. They also will grow deep in the ground to find water. The longer roots help keep the plant in place. Many plants that grow in dry areas store water in their stems. A cactus can live without rain for a long time. A cactus also has sharp spines to keep thirsty animals out. Stems are an important part of the plant. They are strong and point the plant and its leaves toward the light. Plants need light to make food and live. Some thin stems help a plant climb and wrap around things. A plant can save energy by not growing a thicker stem. It borrows the shape of poles, fences, and even other plants. The stem of a tree is called a trunk. It grows tall and strong. In windy areas, tree trunks can bend. Strong winds do not easily break these trees. Tree trunks are made up of many layers. The outside layer of a trunk is called bark. Thick, hard bark protects the softer inside of the tree where water and food are being sent between the roots and leaves. The bark helps harmful insects outside. Keeps harmful insects outside. If they get inside, they can harm the tree. Most tree leaves are green in spring and summer. Leaves soak up the long days of sunshine and look green. The leaves use the light to make food. In the fall, days are shorter and nights grow longer. Tree leaves respond to less daylight in fall. The leaves stop making food and lose their green coloring. That is why you will see yellow, orange, red, and even purple leaves. In winter, trees and other plants rest. In the spring, the plants begin growing again as the days grow longer. Plants respond to the outside world in other ways. A rose grows thorns on its stem to defend itself from hungry animals. Animals do not like plants that taste bad or can hurt them, such as a rose or a cactus. Animals remember to leave those plants alone. Some plants defend themselves from humans too. For example, oil from a poison ivy leaf will give humans an itchy rash. Some plants act more like animals or humans than plants. Sometimes leaves can feel you touching them. This mimosa plant closes its leaves if you touch it. Another plant that acts like an animal, the Venus flytrap, grows in areas that do not have enough food in the soil. To get more nutrients, this plant will eat insects and spiders. If an insect touches the hairs on its leaves more than once, the trap closes. It can take up to 10 days for the Venus flytrap to digest the insect. Plants can look very different from each other, but they all have structures that help them grow and survive.